Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Diver Yona Knight Wisdom wrote his name in the history books after earning Jamaica's first ever diving medal at the Pan American Games today. The 24-year-old copped silver to give Jamaica a second medal at the championships after finishing with 429.90 points behind gold medalist Mexico's Juan Celaya, while American Andrew Capobianco took the bronze.
It's great to win a medal for Jamaica at these Pan American Games, and it's also great to get diving on the podium for the first time ever. For me personally, it's just another positive step on this journey that I've been taking over the last year or so. It feels great to have a performance, almost ratified by a medal, and it gives me the confidence to keep on going, keep on working. So hopefully I can just continue on this path and keep getting better and better. And you know what my goal is? My goal is to make it to the next Olympic Games once again. So that's still to be worked on. So I've still got a lot of hard work to do to get there.
Meanwhile, President Martin Lynn, President of the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, has applauded Knight Wisdom's performance and is eyeing a bigger prize for the nation's leading diver.
This is a very good thing for us. We are proud of Yona. This medal at the Pan Am Games is an excellent one to achieve at this time, also in his career at this time, and it puts him in a good stead for Olympics next year.
Knight Wisdom will next turn his attention to the preliminaries of the 3-meter springboard tomorrow.